Gonna make some maple wine out of maple syrup. Alright, you want to pour out a quart of water. Fill your pan about a third of the way up. We're only going to use 1 cup of sugar here, because this shit's sweet already. Shit. Not so much went all the way up, didn't it? Hold that. You won't get all that maple goodness out of there. Especially seeing how much this shit costs. Use grade A maple syrup, organic. I use the golden color because I like the taste better. Some people like that dark amber shit. I like it golden. Wait till that comes to a boil. I'm going to pour it back in our jug. Alright, once it starts to boil, I'm going to move it back in your bottle. It smells like a damn bunch of pancakes up in this motherfucker. All we need now is some way to make it to where you can put bacon in this shit. We'll figure it out eventually. Alright. Heated up some water in the microwave. Got it at 97 degrees. We're going to use EC 1118 again. I use this for all kinds of stuff. You want to pitch it between 95 and 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove that first. Stir a bunch of air in here. Let that sit for at least 5 minutes. It's been over 5 minutes. I'm going to stir this up. Add it back to our maple syrup wine. Put our airlock on there. Get some water. Fill our airlock halfway full. Let it sit for 2 weeks. Alright, we're going to move our maple syrup to our secondary. I can't wait to try this one. But it's going to be good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this a little try too. If it ain't sweet enough and don't taste like maple enough, I'm adding more maple syrup and potassium sorbate. Let's see where we're at with it.
It's got good flavor. Even fucking this public was maple flavor.
It's got a good color.
Ooh, that's good. That's perfect. I don't need to do nothing to it. Drink it. You want to kill that yeast, so we'll cold crash it. We'll let it sit a few days, cold crash it, and then we'll bottle it.
All right, we're getting ready to bottle our maple syrup wine. All right, we got 3.5 bottles. That's what's left. That's all sludgy. I'm just gonna toss it. I'm gonna taste this now, see what it's all about. All right, this is our maple syrup wine. It's really good. I use so much that it's gonna stay sweet. And I'm thinking the yeast is about done. It's been quite a while. That's really good. Now, if you like the darker colored, feel free to use it. This is my favorite syrup for like pancakes and French toast and shit. It's excellent. This is so good. I like regular maple syrup, real maple syrup. Miss Buttersworth kind of has that little butter flavor though. If you like that, rock with it. I call this a win.
It smells good. Miss Buttersworth had a stronger fake flavor to it.
Yeah, this is legit.
So much cleaner and better.
This is legit, dude. I could definitely drink some of this. This is good shit.
Put that with some biscuits and gravy.
I don't like maple with my biscuits and gravy, man. That's some fucking sacrilege right there.
They like that maple sausage in my house. Fuck that